industrial steam accounts for about 7% of the world's greenhouse gas emissions. And so our aim is to decarbonize that. And the way that we're decarbonizing that is instead of burning a fuel, what we'll use is clean electricity in a heat pump to make it more economically competitive than what's on the market today.
The fundamental product that we're offering, it's a drop-in boiler replacement for today's boiler. So, if you look in the US, most of steam is made by natural gas boilers. And that's a high CO2 signature.
So we're literally developing an air source heat pump. We drop it in, we make connections for water, connections for electricity, and we generate steam.
That fundamentally changes the way that we create heat. And this is really enabled by the fact that the grid itself is getting cleaner and cleaner. We wanted to start with something that was going to be industry relevant from the get-go so that when we prove it out, it's ready to go to the market. And that's exactly what we're building here, an industrial scale system, 650 kilowatts of thermal energy, that's about 2,200 pounds of steam per hour. This is things that are relevant for industrial and manufacturing sectors. For example, in New Belgium, our pilot project, our first customer, we're replacing about 1/3 of their steam with one of our devices.
Our first pilot is scheduled to be installed in New Belgium in end of 2024, literally at that scale.
So when we set this company up, in our mind, we said we wanted to have a product out in the field that was making real-world impact in less than 3 years. And I'm happy to say that with this prototype and with our partnership with New Belgium Brewing and with being here at Colorado State University, we're going to make that happen.
So the reason why we're doing that here at the Powerhouse is because, you can see behind me, this is an industrial research space. So we do things at scale, at an industrial scale and at an industrial pace.
We need the research to keep driving us forward towards a cleaner environment, clean tech for the globe, if you will. But what I really kind of got passionate about was deployment.
I've got to do something about climate change. I've got to make a positive contribution towards reducing the impact of climate change. This is like an absolute dream come true to focus and work on that.